Hi, in this pattern, we are going to learn how to build a complete data science pipeline using the CRISP-DM methodology and IBM Watson Studio. To follow along with this pattern, you will need an IBM Cloud account and you will need the following services: a Cloud Object Storage, Watson Studio, and Watson Machine Learning instances. You will also need the IBM Cloud CLI tool if you wish to deploy the UI accompanied with this pattern. All the links for these tools is provided in this readme. You can find this code pattern at github/ibm/customer churn prediction. For the architecture of this code pattern, you will understand how to connect Cloud Object Storage Service to IBM Watson Studio and upload a dataset. You will understand how to use Jupyter Notebook in Watson Studio and grab your data from Cloud Object Storage. You will also connect to Watson Machine Learning to do the modeling and deployment. You will also understand how to build and connect a simple UI application to interact with your model. First, let's discuss briefly the CRISP-DM methodology. The term CRISP-DM stands for Cross-Industry Standard Process for Data Mining, and it provides an overview of data mining or data science project lifecycle. To carry on a successful data science project, you need the following 6 phases. First, business understanding of the problem at hand, as well as the expected outcome and measurements of success. Then you need data understanding, where the data resides, how to collect it and make it available, what the data represents, does it contain the needed information, or do we need to collect new data, and so on. Then you need the data preparation phase, gathering the data from different sources and into a data lake, cleaning the data, dealing with erroneous and missing values, scaling the data, etc. Then you provide this data to the model and try to find patterns and insights. If you are not successful, then you may need more data preparation. After that, you need to evaluate the results of your model and whether they achieve the expected business outcomes. If the answer is yes, then you proceed with deploying your model and putting it into production on new data. A link for this methodology documentation is provided for you at the end of this README to read more about the process. The business problem we will discuss here is customer churn. Now, if we go to the notebook on Watson Studio, this is how it should look like. We will find the CRISP-DM process represented in the flow of the instructions in the notebook. First, we will be discussing some business aspects of customer churn. Then we will go ahead with the data understanding step by summarizing or describing our data. Then we will visualize our data to understand it better. Then we will start data preparation, cleaning our data, removing outliers, doing some feature engineering, and lastly, scaling our data. Then we will start building our model. Actually, we will be building more than one model and compare them in the end to choose the one with the best performance. Then we will go ahead and deploy that. In the last part of this pattern, you will understand how to build and deploy a simple UI app that is connected to your model and interacts with it through REST API. You will be collecting data that the model needs through a web form, process the form data, and convert it to the exact format and schema expected by the model. Then put it in a JSON request object. You will also understand how to translate the model's response into useful, easily readable information. This is a quick demo. That was a brief overview of this code pattern. I hope you enjoy working with it. Thanks for listening. Bye.